What's going on? So today we got a different style video, got an at-home COVID test. So today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to take a COVID test at home. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. You know who it is. My name's Frank, certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach. On this channel, I like to help you feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. But like I said, today we got something totally different. We are doing an at-home COVID test. So I know some of us, we may not want to go out to a doctor's office, or we want to pay the $125 like I did for a rapid test last year, or maybe you just don't have the time to go and wait 2 hours in line. I know it kind of depends on where you're at. Here in Georgia, I feel things are pretty easy and mellow over here. I know sometimes in other places of the world, or even places up north here in the United States, things are a little bit crazy. So I'm just gonna show you the test today. I'm not gonna explain to you my views or my thoughts about the vaccine or how I feel about it. Use your own best judgment, make the choices best available to you, given all the information that you have. I am not your doctor, or I am not your mother or father. I'm not your therapist. Listen, I'm just showing you what a COVID test is like that you can take at home, and we're just gonna go over that, okay? Any views or any thoughts about the topic, please feel free to comment down below. Let's have a conversation. I'd be more than willing to chat with you a little bit. So, I got this thing at Walmart.com, all right? In this test kit from BinaxNOW, it does have two tests. So what you'll see in the test is you're just gonna see a little swab kit. This will be for your nose. You're gonna have this dropper. This is the COVID-19 special formula, whatever that is. Listen, I'm no expert here. I'm just saying it how I see it. So we got that. This is gonna be one of the testing kits that's gonna come with the card and how you're gonna measure everything, okay? And then it's got some directions, instructions, I believe here. The one I got from BinaxNOW on Walmart, one's in Spanish, one's in English, so we're gonna use that. And then also there is this kind of like a little FYI, FAQ fact sheet about COVID. So if you wanna learn more about COVID and what it is, check that fact sheet inside your little test kit. So that is that. And with that being said, we're gonna get right at it. Sanitize my hands. And we're gonna make sure I already washed them. And we're gonna get a little deep sanitation. Can't be too sure because I don't want anybody freaking out in this video saying I didn't sanitize enough. So I am dousing my hands in sanitizer here. All right, so I am all sanitized up. I explained what's in the test kit. So over here, we're gonna move here, and what we're gonna do is this test. So we have the card, and you're gonna get the card, you're gonna open it up, you're gonna see that there's a blue line. You gotta make sure that there's a blue line at the top of this thing. And when you do the test, we're gonna wait 15 minutes. After we go through it, 2 lines is positive, hopefully not, and 1 line will be negative. So I'm just gonna open up this card. When you open up the card, you wanna see a light, faint blue line there at the top. And then also there's gonna be this little adhesive here. And so when we're finished with the test, we're gonna rip that adhesive off, we're gonna close it. You're gonna see inside the card here, it's gonna say that there's 6 little drops. It's gonna be a top hole and a little bottom hole right there. And then also it's gonna talk about the 15 minutes. So when you actually finish through with everything, you're gonna close this for 15 minutes and then you're gonna let it go, okay? Now when you're doing your swabs, you're gonna make sure that you get this. You're gonna swab it about 1/2 inch to 3/4 up your nose. I guess if you want to play it safe, they'd say you don't have to go that deep, but it can be a little uncomfortable. But honestly, I don't think we have to go that far. I know when I went to the doctor's office, they shoved that thing up there and it made me cry a little bit. So that's that. But what you're going to do first is you're going to get this little COVID-19 magic formula. You're going to drop 6 drops into that top hole, okay? And then we're going to get the swab. We're going to swab for 15 seconds each nostril, 5 rounds on each side. So it's gonna be a total of 30 total seconds. And then we're gonna place this little thingamajiggy swab into this card, swab or twist and rotate 3 times, and that's that. So let's get started and let's see how fast this is. So I'm gonna take this thing off, little twist. So as you can see, I'm breaking this thing off at the top. And then I'm gonna put 6 nice drops right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 6 drops in there. And I'm just gonna set this here to the side. Now I'm gonna get my swab. This is what everybody's been waiting for. So make sure you don't touch the tips. Let's get our timer. I'm not gonna enjoy this, but hey, gotta take one for the team. Here we go, 15 seconds. And I almost did it the wrong way, so that would have been bad. All right, so make sure you got the swab side up your nostril, not the opposite way. Okay, so let's set this timer, boom. And I'm gonna swab out to 5 times. This is up there pretty good. I definitely feel it's like a ½ inch. I'll just swab it here. 10 seconds, 5 swabs, that's probably 3. So I'm starting to barely cry, so you can feel it. There's 15, let's go to the other side. Yeah, that's deep. That's 2. This tickles and feels awkward. 3, 4, 5 big swabs. That's 30 total seconds. So we got that. Now we're gonna take this card with the drops. We're gonna put it in through here. Under, over, 1, big swab 2, big swab 3. So I got to 3. We're gonna take this adhesive off. You can see I'm crying a little bit, so it worked, right? And we're gonna peel this off. Oh, come on. There we go. Make sure 3, 4, 5. We're just gonna be extra here. Close that. Pray to God that I don't have any freaking COVID. And set that down, stop, and we got 15 minutes. Let's pray and see what happens. Alrighty, so we just hit the 15-minute mark. Let's check this thing out. And, uh-oh. Just kidding, no, I'm good. So we got a negative result, all right? So if we look at this little lollipop here, 1 line, all right? There's no second line on there. So 1 line, we got negative. 2 lines, we got positive. So I am negative. So, and I didn't worry, I don't have any symptoms or anything like that, but this is the at-home COVID test. So again, it says wait 15 minutes, but we actually did have my girlfriend had a client who did test positive. And she sent us a picture of the test, and you can clearly see in about 4 or 5 minutes that that second line pops up. So anywho, I just had that 1 line at the top, negative, the sample down below, no line. So we're good here, no concerns, but this is just the one. This is the Abbott, the BinaxNOW test. I got it at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link down in the description if you're here in the United States and you wanna pick up one of these. And I'm gonna upload this video, and if it gets a lot of traction, I'll do some more COVID tests. You want me to take another COVID test? You want me to do a different brand? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I mean, I got all sorts of ideas in my head. So like I said, if this video is a dud, probably this might be the end of it, and I'll just keep going on my merry life doing some regular YouTube content, nutrition and training videos. But like, seriously, let me know. What kind of stuff do you want me to see? Or what do you want to see? What do you want me to cover? Because I mean, I have a doctor's office, Dr. Perry, he comes up here in the studio. I need to actually talk with a lot of doctors and do different stuff on this channel, because that's really my mission, is to provide you with all the education, guidance, resources, and relentless support to fulfill all of your fitness nutrition needs. That's my mission statement. So I want to talk with doctors. I want to talk with my hormone specialist. You know, we could talk about COVID. We could talk about hormones, testosterone, estrogen, you know, how to, you know, improve your performance in the gym. We can go talk with Dr. Perry. We can get him on the channel, talk about tests, what's testing light here in Georgia. You know, I don't know what it's like living in other parts of the United States, but I feel very fortunate and blessed to live in Georgia. We were the first state to open, and my business has been doing amazing ever since all this. And you know, I'm just thankful because of the fact I get to actually help people get in better shape and take charge of their lives and get healthy. You know, you can have your views about that vaccine or whatever. I'm not here to talk about that, but I know for certain that the best thing you can do naturally without doing any outside assistance, jabbing, getting a shot, whatever, is actually eating healthy, your fruits, your vegetables, you know, improving the, antibiotics, antigens, antioxidants, you know, increasing those antioxidants through fruits and veggies. You know, nutrition is going to take care of a lot of that. And actually, the #1 best way to strengthen your immune system is to actually lift some weight, strength train, resistance train, strengthen your muscles, because that's going to be one of the best things. Now, yes, there's supplements. You can take zinc, elderberry. I took some yesterday. You know, you can never be too safe if you feel like maybe you have a little sore throat or you're catching a cold, like I don't, but you know, sometimes I'll drink the Emergen-Cs, the vitamin C. You can do the elderberry, zinc. You know, just be careful with some of these things that you take, the Echinacea complex. I'm going to put some of those down in the description down below. So if you want to help strengthen your immune system, and also start working out, start taking care of yourself. You know, you are your own best line of defense, is actually strengthening your body, you know, eating healthy. And that's the only way that you can really help take care of yourself and get a better immune system. Now, if you do have a compromised immune system, I would highly recommend that you do see your primary care physician or see your doctor. Let them give you some advice. And again, that's just advice. You know, hopefully you're a grown adult watching this video, and if you're not, like, you got to make your own best judgment. Just because the president said, hey, we're going to give you a stimulus, that doesn't mean it's going to take care of you. Like, you still got to save, you got to invest for your future. Just because someone tells you something doesn't always mean like it's going to work out. At the end of the day, you got to make your own choices. You're a grown adult, and make the best decision for you given the information that you have at hand, okay? So that's it for this video. Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Let me know what you thought. You want me to take some more of these tests? You want me to use a different brand? I'm more than happy to do that, because I just want to share with you what it's like, because I know some of us around the world, we're going to be having to do this. I was talking with another trainer in my studio, talking with one of his clients. Damn, he's got to get tests like every Friday. You know, he has got to update the app. He's got to do the tests at home sometimes. Sometimes he goes to the office. They have a physician on staff, and they're updating the app, and they're doing a damn good job making sure that, you know, people aren't positive at the office. So I know this is serious. And the only reason mainly I'm doing it because this is a big thing, and I know more people are gonna have to take tests, especially if you wanna travel internationally. That's why I got the vaccine in the first place. Now, I haven't gotten any booster shots or any other vaccines at the time of this video, other than the one I got last year. I'm not gonna get into it too much, but anywho, I got one, and so I've been good. Anywho, I'm gonna go on a lot of tangents. So comment down below, let me know what you thought, and again, thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure.
P.S. Also, just informed that the government is actually sending tests to everybody in the United States. So it's 2 kits, 4 tests per household. So you can go ahead and click this link. I'm going to put this link here so you can go ahead and get that set up. Then also, if you are looking to get more tests, I was also informed that I think as of a couple Saturdays ago, you can get up to 8 tests per month depending on your insurance provider. They will pay for these. So they will reimburse you, what I mean. So you can go ahead and buy these kits or these tests, and you can get reimbursed up to 8. But like I said, the government is actually sending everybody in the United States tests. So click the link down in the description if you want to get your free tests. Sending out 2 kits, 4 tests per household.
This world is my purse, get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head, block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack, never look back. I make a record like Crash, top of my bracket I smash. I'm like a pack, I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast.